Welcome guys to Rising Coders Era, and we are creating a project resume builder name, and this is part 1 where we are going to create the landing page, and you will get the source code in the comment section. So when we are going to create this project, so first of all let's create one file. I'm going to name the folder name as resume builder, and insert this let's open it with Visual Studio Code. Now before going to this developing this project, so you can see this is the landing page and here are some text. So what we are going to do in this video, we are going to just create a structure of this, so only using HTML and creating this button, okay, and linking this also. And in the next lecture we are going to design the UI user interface, designing the styling colors in the second video, and in third video we are going to go with this original page, and when you are going to enter all the information, as we know in the previous video we saw that it is going to run, it is going to show you the output, it is going to create the resume. So we are going to make the structure and then again CSS styling, and in the final video we are going to go with the JavaScript, okay, which will be the main part. Okay, so let's begin to build this. So for this we are going to give the first name, and I'm going to give this name as index.html, or instead of writing index.html, what we given here name is introduce.html. so I'm going to give name as introduce.html. okay, so this is going to be created. Now first of all we are going to create an boilerplate, and how we create the boilerplate, so you are going to press shift and then this symbol, okay, and this is going to be, okay, you can see the boilerplate here, okay, so you can click or just enter, and the boilerplate of the HTML is going to be created here, okay, so you can see here the boilerplate. Okay, now let's start to begin develop this project. So first of all we are going to give this name as introducing AI. The title is going to be introducing AI, okay, so this is going to be the title. Then next thing we are going to do here, you can see on the website, so this is going to be our website, and we have created this Open.AI like an heading, so I'm going to give it inside the h1 tag. So what I'm going to go inside the body, we are going to write h1 tag, and here we are going to give one class to style it, but we are going to style it in our next video. So class, and the class name is going to be intro, okay, intro, simple. And inside this what we are going to write, you can see here Open.AI, just I'm going to copy it and paste it, Open.AI. After that you can see this is also h1 tag. So what we are going to do, again we are going to take one h1 tag here at this bottom point, and here I'm going to give it class as intro1, okay. Then what we are going to do, just writing introducing our, okay, so what we are going to do, just copy this again. I will provide this you in the comment section, so from that you can copy the text, okay. So we are going to use here br tag, okay, so we are going to use here br tag, okay, so that it is going to break. And let's see first of all our output, how does it is displaying our web application. So you can see it is looking not good, but we are going to design it in the next lecture only. So first of all we are just going to create the HTML structure, okay. So introducing, you can see introducing our AI technology, and similarly it is looking like that only, okay, but we are going to make some changes and coloring in the next video. So you can see introducing our AI technology. So what I'm going to do, just move it at the above, and we are going to make here 2 br tags, and after that you are going to come at the bottom, and you can see here we are going to write this again, copy this, and at the bottom part we are going to write it inside. Okay, simple, we are going to write it directly. And first you can click here and just go ahead format document, so it is going to make your code means readable. Okay, so what we are going to do, introducing, and then I'm going to use here BR tag. Okay, break, and after that you can see resume builder. Okay, so these all things is going to be inside the h1 tag. So what I'm going to do, just cut this and paste it at this particular point. Okay, so let's move it above, and that's all. Introducing, then BR resume builder Open.AI. Now if we see on our browser, we don't have to refresh because we have start with live server. Okay, so you can see open with live server. So for this you are going to click right click, and then you are going to click open with live server. So it is going to open live, and it is going to update as you make the change inside code and save it. Okay, or you can go with another method, and the another method is you can go here and you can just click double tap, but this is not going to refresh automatically, so you have to refresh it again and again here. Okay, so that is the another method. So here you can see it's quite similar with the original web application. And right now we are going to insert this paragraph, so this is going to be available inside the comment section, you can copy from that. Okay, so first of all we are going to go here, enter the para, and I'm going to paste it first of all, and then I'm going to give it class name. So class, and the class name here for the para is going to be para. Okay, so after this we are going to break it 2 times. So what I'm going to do, you can see here, this is the whole para, and here break tag, then come at bottom, I'm going to add one more BR tag, save it, and again we are going to create one para, and this para class name is going to be para again, and the another paragraph you can found here. Okay, you can see here, just copy this again, and I'm going to paste it inside this para, save it. Okay, after completing this, okay, so let's move to the bottom part and let's check what does our website shows. Okay, so it's quite similar, some changes we are going to make it, and then it is going to look similar to this original web application. Okay, so what we are going to do here, okay, after creating this para, you can see here what we done inside over here. So may generate wrong response, so this also we are going to copy, and I'm going to write inside bold, and the class name here will be para again, and then paste it. Okay, so save it. Now after this let's see again inside the web application, so you can see similarly. Now what we are going to do here, move at the bottom, and I'm going to add 2 BR text, so you can write BR into and 2. So when I'm going to enter, it is going to make 2 times, you can make it 3 times as you want. So we are going to add some links, so for this we are going to use the anchor tag, just write A and then enter. Okay, and then move at the bottom, we are going to create an button, and the button is also having the class, so we are going to design the button also. You can see here the button design button. Okay, it's looking good. Okay, and we are going to design similarly, so for that we have given the class, and the class name is going to be color button, CLR color hyphen BTN. Okay, button, and inside the button button is having some text, you can see here, so we can't copy it, so I'm going to just write manually, and this is going to be try resume builder. Okay, so B builder space Open.AI. Okay, I is also capital here. Okay, capital, so AI, and this is going to be your link, and then after this I'm going to make some BR text, and I want the totally 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 3 4 5, so 5 BR text I'm going to take here. Okay, so you can see here this space. Okay, now when I'm going to refresh it, so it is going to be looking like this. And that's all inside this lecture, I think, because we have created all the things. Now in the next lecture we are going to design it. Okay, and if I'm going to inspect it, okay, if I'm going to inspect it, so you can see, okay, it's fine with other devices also. Okay, and we will make it more capable on other devices also. So okay, you can see the same code we wrote here. Okay, and here in the next lecture we are going to create the style.css, and where we are going to know the styling part, UI design, so that it is going to look like this. Okay, thank you for watching this lecture. Thank you.